Welcome back guys with a brand new video, and in this video we will discuss about the exclusive OR gate. Exclusive OR gate basically is a combination of four NAND gate, as you can see here. Simply that, so first of all, if we will move in the opposite directions, that and we will have to draw a NAND gate, then these two inputs becomes the outputs of two others NAND gate. Now there are remaining four inputs. Two inputs will be directly in, and the two will be becomes common from a output of a NAND gate. Similarly, like this one. In this case, the two outputs are common in one NAND gate, and in this case, the one output is common with the as an input of these two NAND gates. Now how it works, it's always work only in that conditions when either one input is high and the other is low, or other is high and the first one is low. If you can see here, now at this times that both the inputs are low, it means we will get low at the output, and once we make one output as a high, you will get high at the output. And on the in the second conditions, when we make the both input as a high, you will again get the low at the output. And when the conditions comes when the first input will becomes low, it will again give us a high at the output. By this you can easily make the truth table of exclusive OR gate also. So this is the working principle of the exclusive OR gates. I hope you understand very well what is the working principle of exclusive OR gates and how we have to draw this. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends and class fellows. Thank you.